here. We're here at the Makawao reservation.
It's Sunday afternoon, and we have never been to this part of Maui. We're up in the, how do you say that?
Makawao recreational area. Easy.
Say that again.
Makawao.
Mike's getting better with his Hawaiian.
Makawao.
And so we're gonna explore.
We're in Makawao
Yes.
Forest Reserve.
So we're at Makawao Forest Reserve up in upcountry Maui, right?
Sure.
But this doesn't look like what you expect Maui to look like.
Who says? You always say that. There's rainforest here.
Yes, but I thought rainforest would be like more tropical, but
That's not tropical? It's pretty tropical.
so we're gonna go check it out.
Vámonos.
All right.
Quit talking to your camera. Let's go. You gotta do it too. Don't just take pictures. Get in there and do it. I gotta get a bite because there's the downhill exit right there. The Pineapple Express.
Pineapple Express. Look at that. Those little school skills areas.
Little skills areas?
Yeah, called the skills area. I cannot mountain bike, but Mike would love this.
Don't fall over.
Okay, let's see. Can I get through this one? It's like I'm surfing. Right?
Kinda.
So eucalyptus, rainbow eucalyptus.
Mm-hmm. It was. Cut it up, make some furniture. If I knew how to do that.
There's a bunch of side trails, and just found this teepee. It's an amazing rainforest. It's kind of like you're almost in the Pacific Northwest, if you will. It's a drizzly day today, and really fun to see something so different than we're used to on the dry side of Maui where we live in Kihei. So, where are we going?
I say we go right.
Gary?
Dang it, it's not a big enough tree. Oh, so cool. It hurts my neck.
I know. It hurts.
And raindrops coming in my eye.
So, honey, what does kahakapao mean?
Scooper thingy.
Scooper thingy?
Yep.
Let's see what it actually means.
Scooper outer of the whole thingy for making canoes.
Wow.
Good wood for making canoes, all these massive trees.
Yeah. It's amazing. This forest is incredible. The eucalyptus, it's not like the true rainbow eucalyptus, but it's like green and it's gorgeous, and all the tropical ferns, and it's raining right now. Pretty cool. Oh.
Yep.
And I'm glad I'm getting to use my jacket that we got, what was intended for Bali. So you're not wearing yours.
Yeah, you don't want to wear it that hard. Trees catch most of it.
It's raining.
We're turning around now.
Are you done?
I'm done. We're turning around now. Do you have a problem with that?
Nope, let's go.
Okay.
I think I need a hose.
While you're in Hawaii, get Mexican food. Salsa's really good.
So I ventured to Makawao, the national forest. Ended up with lunch at, where did we go?
Mexican. Mexican.
It's just a
First time I've had
Mexican restaurant. It's just called a Mexican restaurant?
It's about the only one on the whole island.
No, it's not. I think it's called Polly's. I want to say Poli because that's another place up here in upcountry, but it's called Polly's, and it's on the corner of like Makawao Road and the main road. I think it's Baldwin Avenue. Baldwin Avenue, that's what it is. So it's right on the corner there. Very good Mexican food. Mike had carnitas, and I had a quesadilla, so very good. And what do you think about the national forest?
It was good. I mean, it was raining, of course, but it was nice. Tons of eucalyptus trees.
Very peaceful up there. Yeah. And apparently a haven for mountain bikers. So if you're a mountain biker, man, you want to make sure that that's a stop.
Well, we saw one mountain biker.
No, but we saw all the trails.
Because it was all rainy and muddy.
Yes, so because it was raining, there was hardly anybody there, and super muddy. So red mud, which is really cool, but totally different than what we're used to, just the plain old brown mud. Anyways, good day for exploring the island, finding something new. We're finding new things all the time for this island.
Wrap it up.
I know.
You're gonna ramble on for 10 minutes.
I know, because that's what I do. Anyways, we'll catch you on the next adventure, and thanks for joining us. Make sure you subscribe, and aloha.
Brown mud. Did I say there's red mud? Because there was brown mud. No, not brown mud, red mud. Ramble, ramble, ramble. Did I repeat myself 4 times yet? Do it again! Reshoot!